What is the topic of today? Order of operations. BODMAS. B stands for brackets, O for order, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. You have to solve according to this. Brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. You have to keep this order. Okay, otherwise the answer will be wrong. So let's apply this order, BODMAS. The question is order of operations. 16 minus 5 multiplied by 3 plus 3. You must have noticed that there is no division. In this question, there is no division. So you can cancel divide. Now you have to check for multiplication. You have to multiply first. You have multiply. This is a multiply. Okay, so please multiply first. Now 16 minus 5 multiplied by 3. 15 plus 3. So multiplication is completed. Now check, is there any addition? Yes, we have addition over here. So let's add 16. Now this addition is like this, minus 15 plus 3. Most of the students, they make this mistake. 15 plus 3 is 18. This is wrong. Okay, please keep in mind, this is completely wrong, minus 18. You have to add first. 16 minus 15 plus 3. So addition minus 15 plus 3 will give you minus 12. Right? Minus 15 plus 3 will give you minus 12. And 16 minus 12 is the final answer. 4. 4 is the correct answer. Next question is, two multiplied by 2 divided by 2 minus 2 plus 2. Let's continue with this. 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 minus 2 plus 2. You must have noticed that division is there. So we can do divide first. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Next, you have to check for multiplication. Is there any multiplication here? Yes, we can multiply. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Now you have to check for addition or subtraction. Anything can be done first. AS or SA. Anything can be done first. The answer will be same. Right? So this time I'm doing minus 2 and plus 2. Minus 2 and plus 2 will give you 0. And 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 is the correct answer. Next. Minus 12 plus 5 multiplied by 5 in bracket, multiplied by 4 minus 3. Let's start with this. Five multiplied by 5 minus 4 minus 3. You have to check for brackets. Yes, we have brackets here. Solve the bracket first. 5 multiplied by 5. 25. Next, you have to check for order. Order is not there. Divide. Is there any divide here? No, we don't have any divide. Then you have to check for multiplication. We can multiply now. 25 multiplied by 4 is 100. Now you have to check for addition or subtraction. But as I told you before, anything can be done first. You can subtract also, or you can add also. Anything can be done, right? So this time, 100 minus 3 will give you 97. Now you can add minus 12 plus 97. 7 minus 2 is 5 and 9 minus 1 is 8. This is the answer, plus 85 for this order of operations. Next question is 3 divided by 2 in brackets, whole divided by 5, multiply by 10 divided by 2. You have to check for BODMAS. Right? This is the BODMAS. You have to check. Any brackets here, because you have to start with the bracket. Right? So I'm solving bracket first. 3 plus 2, this is in bracket. Whole divided by 5, multiply by 10 divided by 2. Brackets to be done first. What is 3 plus 2? 5. 10 upon 2, you can do now. It is 5. Right? And 5 divided by 5 is 1. And 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. 5 is the correct answer for this. Next question is 12 divided by 3 plus 12 divided by 4 minus 4 plus 4. So this question can be written like this: 12 divided by 3, 12 divided by 4, this is in bracket, minus 4 plus 4. Brackets to be done first. 12 divided by 3 plus 12 divided by 4 is 3. Right? Then you have to do divide. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus 4. Then you have to check for multiplication. There is no multiply here. Then you will do addition and subtraction. Anything can be done first. I'm cancelling minus 4 and plus 4. Right? 4 plus 3 plus 0. Minus 4 plus 4 will be cancelled and you will get 0. So 7 is the correct answer. Right? Next question is 20 minus 20 plus 20 plus 20 in brackets divided by 20. This question can be written like this: 20 minus 20 plus 20 plus 20 whole divided by 20. This is the question for order of operations, but you have to solve it by BODMAS rule. B stands for bracket, D, O for order, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Right? You have to solve like this and keep the order. Brackets to be done first. So I'm solving the brackets. 20 plus 20 will give you 40. Now there is no order here. Is there any divide? Yes, we have a divide here. 20 minus 20 plus 2. 40 divided by 20 is 2. Then you have to check for multiplication. No, we cannot find any multiplication here. After this, you have to check for addition, right? Addition is there. And subtraction also is there. Anything can be done first. The answer is same. So I'm canceling plus 20 and minus 20. It will give us 0. So the final answer is 2. 2 is the correct answer for this order of operations. Just keep this order and you will never get the wrong answer. Brackets to be done first and then order. I will give you the examples for order. Then division, then multiplication, addition, and finally subtraction. Keep in your mind addition and subtraction. Anything can be done first, right? If you find that subtraction is easy, for example here, plus 20 and minus 20 will give us 0. So we can subtract first, right? And 0 plus 2 is 2. So add and subtract, anything can be done. The answer will be same. Thank you so much for attending this session.